Hello, my creative and curious friends! In this video, we'll see the final step of the creation process of one of my illustrations using the Adobe Fresco mobile app. In particular, we'll draw a rich fashion illustration background for which we'll create some new multicolor swatches to use with our brushes. And as always, you're more than welcome to visit my Instagram page, which gathers all my latest works. Appreciate them by clicking on the like button and comment freely on them so as to let me know which ones you would like to see in an upcoming tutorial. And I will gladly share my experience and knowledge in the world of digital design with you. Also, to always remain up to date, don't forget to activate the bell. Enjoy the video! And now we come to the creation of the background of our drawing. Let's add a new layer beneath all the others. We're then going to draw the sky a light blue color using the Monet Mixer brush from the Mixer Brushes category. Let's create two multicolor swatches to paint an array of colors using a single brush stroke, one for the sea and the other for the sand. For the first color mix, we can use a blue block stain brush stroke from the Painting category, which we're going to paint over with a white, flat, brush mixer brushstroke selected from the Mixer Brushes category. For the second color mix, we use a Cezanne 2 brush type from the Painting category with a beige stroke. And we go over it with a slightly darker and opaque Surratt brushstroke selected from the same category. To use these color mixes as multicolor swatches from the color library, let's proceed in the following way. Activate the eyedropper tool by tapping on it in the toolbar. Then tap on the multicolor sampler icon. Click and press on the touch shortcut to activate it, or double tap on it to lock it in the active state. Scroll the eyedropper until you see the multicolor swatch that you need. We'll be selecting a pixel brush to paint with the created color swatches. I chose one from the Painting category. We can vary the color of the swatch by adjusting its hue, saturation, and brightness. Add the sunbeams of a light yellow color with a rake tilt brush from the Rakes category. Let's also add some objects to our background, arranging them on separate layers. A palm tree, a few seashells, and some starfish. To do so, we're going to use different pixel brushes to color the various elements and create shadows beneath them. With this last step, we've completed our illustration. I hope that my tutorial has been useful to you and that you're now able to use the Adobe Fresco application with ease and pleasure to create your own works of art. Thank you so much for taking this lesson, and see you next time. Also, please support me by clicking on the like button, writing your opinions or requests in the comments section, subscribing to my channel, sharing this video, and connecting with me on Instagram. This will all allow me to create more new, interesting, and helpful videos for you.